Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn about computers. Can anyone tell me what a computer is? Go on.
It's a machine that people use to play video games.
That's one way to use a computer, but there's more things to do with a computer. Who else has an idea?
It's a machine that people use to search the internet.
Yes, that's another way to use a computer. But let's dig a little deeper. Who knows how a computer actually works?
It has a bunch of tiny parts that do different things.
Exactly. A computer is made up of many different parts that work together to perform tasks. Let's take a closer look at some of those parts. The first part of a computer is the CPU, or central processing unit.
Whoa!
This is like the brain of the computer, which does all the thinking and processing. Next, we have the memory, or RAM. This is like the computer's short-term memory. It stores all the information the CPU needs to work on tasks. Then we have the storage, which is like the computer's long-term memory. This is where all your files and programs are stored. And finally, we have the input and output devices. These are things like the keyboard, mouse, and monitor that allows you to interact with the computer. Now that we know what the different parts of a computer are, let's talk about how they work together. When you use a computer, you're giving it instructions to perform a task. Those instructions are sent to the CPU, which processes them and decides what to do. It then sends that information to the memory, which stores it temporarily. From there, the information is sent to storage, where it's saved for later. And when you're ready to see the results of your task, the information is sent back to the CPU, which sends it to the output devices, like the monitor, so that you can see it. And that's how a computer works. It's a complex machine made up of many different parts that all work together to perform tasks. I hope you all know what a computer is, and how it works.
Yes, madam.